What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu and the fact that it is the most popular cryptocurrency. While people think Bitcoin is a popular cryptocurrency or Ethereum is a popular cryptocurrency with all the movement that we saw, it is nothing in comparison to Shiba Inu and the popularity that that has, right? And you may think, oh, how can that be more popular than Bitcoin? Well, it seems like quote unquote meme coins are kind of running the world, especially in 2021. As we're getting out of 2021, what really can we expect in 2022? So, guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to join the Patreon, feel free to do that. I have a bunch of calls that I have over there, and I put out different things every single day. So definitely check that out. Also, if you want to check out the Profit Apparel store, feel free to pick up some apparel. There's a bunch of stuff over there, and we do feel that we're going to create some more merch as time goes on. So let's get into this. We're going to start with this little article, this little blurb here. You're going to see Shiba Inu was the most viewed cryptocurrency in 2021, surpassing Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap. Right? This is crazy to say that something is the most viewed cryptocurrency, basically the most popular. People are searching for this. People want to know where they can get it. They want to know how much they can gain with it, what the market cap looks like, what the potential is. Everything there needs to know. There needs to be known about Shiba Inu or this cryptocurrency. People want to know it, right? And it's crazy to say that Bitcoin, which I consider as the leading leader of the pack, right? You do see that as, the highest market cap that it has, really the leader of the cryptocurrency market. When you think of cryptocurrency, most likely you're thinking of Bitcoin or Ethereum or something that's in that top two, right? Or in the top five. But nowhere did I think that we were going to have two coins that are going to be very, very popular in the same conversation as something that's, as, popular as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which would be Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. But apparently Shiba Inu just had more popularity than anything, because as you go down here and you look at something, you saw that Dogecoin was created as a joke. I don't think Shiba Inu was created as a joke. It was created with that specific purpose to kill Dogecoin, right? To be that Dogecoin killer, basically saying that you can make a ton of money without this going to a penny or without this going to a dollar. And you know what? They were right. It's something that did have a push behind it, and people did believe in it, and they still do believe in it. And if I believed in it as much back then, I would have probably $1 billion to $5 billion by now. But I don't. So what's crazy is the fact that we're talking about these coins when we really don't think about like the utility behind it. I understand there are people saying a ton about the utility, but it's more or less on what the price is going to be, not based on what they can use it for. People don't really care about what they're going to use it for. They care about how much they're going to make with this coin, right? That's the whole purpose of the coin, is to kill Dogecoin, one. Two, for you to make money off of it, make more money without even getting to a penny or a dollar, right? You can get a ton of coins and make these moves. Now, obviously, I believe in the future, we're going to see this at these levels and people can make money from it. But in the short term, you definitely saw a decent sized gain from, in 2020, what was it, August in 2020 or something, all the way until, today, or its high point, right? So when I look at Shiba Inu coin, I'm really excited to see what the future will bring here. And I wanted to bring that to your attention because this definitely caught my eye, just seeing how this is one of the top, cryptocurrencies to look for, to search for in 2021 is absolutely insane. But when we look at Coinbase, when we look at Coinbase, we're going to see that we're at 3,500 because the market did pull back quite a bit. We could see that the volume is up by 55%. Currently, the activity is 64% buy. But right now we're still in that range of 3,000 to 4,000, right? 0.0000 3,000 or 0.0000 4,000. That's where we're really hovering, staying around that $20 billion market cap, which this is in line when you look at how popular it is by market cap. It's obviously not the most popular coin by market cap, but it is the most popular coin by people searching for it. You look at its 10th in popularity on Coinbase. You're seeing it 50 days of typical hold time. People are holding it more and more every single day. I think when we get down to it, people are going to be holding this more or longer than they hold Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin or any other coin that's up in that top, Solana, whatever it is. I think they're going to be holding this a lot more because the the value and the potential is kind of unknown, right? I believe what I believe, but it may not come true and it might be even better than what I believe. So when I look at Shiba Inu as a whole over 2021, it was a completely successful year, seeing a large jump or multiple large jumps, seeing the introduction of certain supply getting closer to 100% of the supply being out there, which is something that I really wanted to happen when I first started talking about Shiba Inu. The reason why I didn't really like it in the beginning was because that there was so much supply that was still left, like trillions of supply that was still left. So having that introduced to the actual supply, the circulating supply, would have been detrimental to the price, and we did see that introduction. It goes from 0.00008,000 to 3,000, right? And even lower than that, right? So um, obviously, I wasn't really excited to see anything happen with Shiba Inu in the beginning. However, it started to grow on me as they started to introduce the supply. So, what is my future prediction for Shiba Inu? Most people know where I land on Shiba Inu. My plan is a 5 to 10 year plan. I think it could be faster depending what happens in 2022 because there's supposed to be a burn that happens based on them entering the metaverse. I don't know what burn that will be. If it will be a 30% burn, a 50% burn, if we will see them burn off, trillions of coins, like 80% of the coins, you never know what that could be. That's why I love Shiba Inu so much, is because the unknown is what makes it interesting. If they decided to burn off 99% of the coin, well, now that makes it really, really interesting for anybody that's holding, so many coins here. Yes, you're going to see popularity fall off as time goes on. And I don't think that they would burn off 90% of the coins because you have a bunch of people that are still holding, probably more than 10% of the actual coins that are out there. So it makes no sense for them to do that. However, I do like what Shiba Inu has, brought to the table in 2021, and the fact that it's the most popular coin that's out there. Not saying by Coinbase and by the amount of people that are buying it, by the amount of people that are searching for it, by the amount of people that are viewing it or interested in it, just shows that it is the most popular coin, the most popular investment that you can really make. And probably right in line with AMC and GME and how much people search for that. So guys, hit that like button. Let me know what you think about Shiba Inu coin. We're approaching the end of 2021. We are a couple of days away, and I really hope we see a massive jump to everything, the crypto market, the stock market in 2022. I still will have a couple of videos that I create in 2021. This is not the last one, and because I create videos basically every day. But you let me know what you think about Shiba. Is it the most popular? Do you feel like it was a successful year for Shiba or a more successful year for Bitcoin? I know there's a lot of people out there that love Bitcoin and the fact that it has grown and hit certain highs and eclipsed those highs and then decreased to certain lows. Let me know what you think about it. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. If you guys want to get some merch, feel free to get some merch. If you want to join the Patreon, do that as well. But I'm gonna get out of here. Also, I wanted to ask you guys because, and let me know if you watched till this point. Answer the question if you do watch to this point. I will search for specific words. But my brother makes really, really good like beef jerky, and I wanted to start a brand, and We haven't really landed on the name yet because we haven't really, got a domain name, and we don't want anybody to take the domain name. Would you guys be interested in that? Because I feel like it's really, really good. It's a little spicy, but it's really good. So let me know if you're interested in that. If you did watch to this point, I know there's probably only like 10% of people that watch my videos watch till the end. So if you are watching to this point, let me know if you're interested in something like that. If you eat beef jerky, I loved it. My wife loved it. We ate the whole bag literally the day after we got it. So let me know. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.